There's no tide like low tide. Just in case you don't know it, being out here, low tide, and a nice day like today is just simply awesome. But between just you and me, this is the most relaxing, calm experience you could have in your life. You're like 2 miles away from shore. You're surrounded by nature and birds. It's just amazing. If you can do this, you have to do it once, maybe twice a week. I do this more than I do the dishes. So those tracks were a hawk, and he was hopping down on the beach, so we could grab one of those clams and murder it. This is a clam shell. That's the inside of one. So yeah, the birds just drop them down, boom, and crack it open and leave it, and they just discard like that. The life of a clam sucks. I've reached the clam fields. Look at them all. Those little bumps and humps are little clam houses. There's a couple right there. That's a big clam. See these things, clams spit water out, and you run over, and then you have to dig, and then boom, you find the clam, and then you catch it and boil it and eat it. Fry it, I guess. All that action happens right down in there. Don't shoot me. Is that where they get the saying, yo, shut your clam hole over there? My cousin Fat Tony always says that to me. I have to go home and wash my feet for sure. You want to get that funk off your feet for sure when you're done. You get to this water part, just want to be careful where you're walking so don't crush any little creatures. Jellyfish, right here is a jellyfish, and there's a little animal in that shell there hanging out by this clam's house. There's another little jellyfish there, so you got to be very careful where you walk. Look at this little guy, he's got stuff inside of him. He is one full jellyfish. Unfortunately, this little guy didn't quite make it. So, in what has to be the find of the day, I found myself a almost intact sand dollar. Nice. Awesome find. What's going on, buddy? Hey, you got someone you gotta talk to? Need a friend? A hug? What are you looking for? Oh, I think I might know what he's looking for. I'm having lunch today at the beach. You know how they never give you enough? I brought my own stuff today. Hey, what do you think you're doing, buddy? Come on, have some sushi with me. Let's get this sand out of here. Rinse my feet and get out of here. Jackpot. Clean as a whistle, because that's the sound they make when I walk on them, because I'm up. There's the little ladies back there were watching me wash my shoes. They were like, what a weirdo. Maybe we'll end it like this. Thanks for watching, you guys. You can always subscribe and like, dislike, leave me comments on what you want me to do next.